Hi, my name is Selena Zepeda, and today I'll be talking about Busuu. Busuu is an online community for learning languages. Users can help each other to improve their language skills by practicing with native speakers in the community. For now, there are 12 languages you can choose from. I think the audience for this is most suited for people with speech and language impairments. Here's a quick glimpse of what it looks like. I'll show you in a bit how it actually is. And here's the cost and specs. Just by looking at this, you can tell that you'll get more out of it if you upgrade to premium. But if you just want to start off and see how it works, you can get the basic for free. Now I'm going to show you really quick how it works. It's available on your phone for Apple or Android. That comes in handy, I bet. Log in. Okay. So let's start off with a tour. Sorry, my internet's slow. Okay. Here we go. Tour. Alright, so I chose Spanish for my my language. I should have chose English, but we'll go with Spanish. So, full language courses with quizzes and grammar, corrections from native speakers, smart vocabulary trainer. Here it's going to show me lessons. Language course broken down into bite-sized lessons including vocabulary, grammar, and quizzes. Here's your levels. I'm going to be beginner. Social. This is a social aspect. You can get feedback from native speakers. That's pretty cool. I think that's really helpful, getting feedback from other people. Review. Using the smart vocabulary trainer to strengthen your weak words. Profile. Check your progress and review feedback on your conversation exercises. And of course, earlier I mentioned about the specs. You have to upgrade if you want, the good stuff. I don't think it's too expensive. And let's just show you a quick glimpse of how it works. Okay, here's lesson 1, vocabulary flashcards. Hola. Okay, that means hello. ¿Qué tal? How's it going? And if I want to hear it again, I just press here. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? And then it will ask me what that means. And that means how's it going. Let's see. But yeah, I think this is a great tool, a learning tool, and also, social network for language only. That's pretty neat. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and say I would recommend this. I can go over with the pros and cons with you right now. Pros, it's really well structured, clear, precise, excellent value for long-term subscription. I don't think it's too expensive, especially if you're going to use it a lot. The cons, though, like I mentioned in the beginning, there's only 12 languages, so it's a small language selection. And it does include typing exercises, and from what I've read, it's kind of tedious. But, overall, bottom line, I just think this tool is very helpful, and it's worth adding to a language learning regimen. So, thank you for listening and taking time to review this little video.